This is Douglas Fisk. We're preparing for his antique tractor auction on June 21st, 2025. Tell us about this item.
It's one of a kind that has had very, very little use. And to find a farm auction item that is in this shape, you're going to have to go a long way. So,
So,
pay
what is it?
attention. Do you know what it is? Is it for manure spreader? Is it for a fast hitch dump? Or is it for a wagon with a false end gate? Well, what's a false end gate? That means an end gate, let's pretend it's those two boards there. That end gate would have cable on it. And this would be at the back of the wagon. And then you got boards there, you got a cable coming back, you got a pipe here. That pipe hooks into this driver right there on that edge. And the men would muscle it up, shove it onto the pipe, turn the electric motor on, and away it would go. What does it do? It does what it says it's going to do. It's going to ratchet the front end gate back. So pretty quick, if there's a man on the crew, the silage would be blown in a silo filler or a blower. They go up in the silo or haymow. Those two boards would be at the end of the wagon. So now we got to have a man to pull it back. And I had a man here, he's called Aaron. He's a great man, and he could take this, and all he'd do, he'd climb up in the chopper box, and then he would grab this end gate, and he would walk it back, wouldn't you, Aaron?
Yeah.
Right to the front
Walk it up
of
to
the
here.
wagon, and there it would be. And we're ready for the next load. Zoom! Out to the field again. This was progress like you would believe. Cut silo filling down by, oh, you can't believe the percentage. From weeks to fill a silo to days.
Yeah.
And man, that was trucking back in the 50s and 60s. It had a heyday. If you want one that nobody else has, and it's hardly been used,
Yeah.
you better come see that puppy.
Come check it out.
Yeah, I'll tell you, it's not going to stay there long, and we'll help you load it
That's right.
on the way. So be there June 21st and come talk with us, if nothing else. So thank you.